So here's the iPhone 15. We're gonna change the battery. I've already opened it up. I heated up, opened up. This clip over here gave me a very hard time, but I was able to open up the back without breaking. We're gonna unscrew this, take the battery out, and also unscrew this, disconnect the wireless charger, and we'll go from there. We'll remove the battery out with it out. Connect the battery first. Auto connection. Disconnect the battery. There we go. Alright.